Hello and welcome to the third video in this series of support demonstrations for teacher dashboard managers. My name is Gordon Bobbin and I'm the current CloudShare Support Officer for the Catholic Education Office. And in this third video, I'll be demonstrating to you how to make changes to the classes and the student spreadsheet. The two most common changes you will need to make to these spreadsheets are to change the teachers that are entered into a class, or to change the classes for a student. The first one is done on the classes spreadsheet. So let's say, for example, that I needed to change the teachers that were involved in this 7 English 1 class. So for example, I might want to add another teacher. To this class. The way I would do this is I would make the necessary change on the spreadsheet here. So in this case, I've added this teacher to this class. Once I've made the change here, the next thing I'll do is to copy the entire row. Do not select all the cells and copy that way. Copy the entire row. And then go down the bottom to where you see a sheet labelled upload. And it will usually have D, M and Y for day, month and year. If you go into this sheet, you then simply paste the row in and then repeat this for any other class that you may need to make changes for. Once you have pasted all of the classes here that you have made changes to, change the name of this sheet at the bottom by double clicking on it and then entering the actual date of the day you made the changes. Once you have done this, it is then just a matter of simply letting us know at support for Teacher Dashboard and we will upload those changes for you. In relation to the student spreadsheet, the same thing pretty much applies. If you find that you need to change a class code for one of these students, so let's say, for example, I need to change this class code here, make the necessary changes and then copy the entire row. Again, down the bottom you'll see that there is an upload sheet. If you click on that upload sheet, and then paste the row in, normally takes a few seconds, but you should see all the relevant information come up along here. And again, once you've made all the necessary changes, it is simply then just a matter of changing the date to the day that you've made the edit and then sending an email or letting us know at CloudShare Support and we'll upload those changes for you. If you're not familiar with how to alert us to these changes, it is simply a matter of going to the Teacher Dashboard website. On that website, you'll see a label or a tab called Support. Within this tab, you'll see the Teacher Dashboard Help Desk. And this is where you can submit a ticket to us to let us know of any of these types of changes. You simply select your school, how important or urgent the change is. You might want to choose a category, and then just a brief description in the email letting us know where the update needs to occur. So for example, update 23rd of the 2nd 2014 for the classes spreadsheet of your school. Then just submit the ticket, and once that has been completed, you'll get an email back from us confirming that those changes have now been updated. Well, that pretty much covers it for how to make a change to the classes and student sheet. I hope you have found this useful. Thanks again for watching.